Kawai ke kena arit na Shillong kana via Chaudhary, kalapin pau ya kanam jong ka Jylla Meghalaya, haka Rynsan ri India, da ka bapoi shaka final jong ka Junior Corp Junior Miss India, kabalapin long ikipat ba Jylla ban sngo sarong. Tang Snem Rta Hynrei kana via kalami padba, kum kanong mi khmat jong ka Meghalaya, hadian bakala job ya ka Junior Corp audition kabla long ha Ahmedabad, haka babuan hajar ki kena na kelengkari, klaya shim binta, Kajingele jongka ringkat bat kajing shlur bat kajingay ne kilapin long yaka banjam shka kerdan bakham shajrong kanavya kalakha balasan shillong hagni Jylla Meghalaya bat kapuli habiki bajoria school watla kajingya kop kalong ha ka kerdan ri India kajingya sno jongka bat ka Jylla Meghalaya kalapau shai lingba ka rukom jingya khun jongka bat kajing pin pau ya kajingya dei bat ka dostur bat ka khendo bakalasan Hadian ke Junior Kun ha Ahmedabad, kanavya kala let she Jaipur, banyashim binta ha ka final round jong ke Junior Miss India, kabla long ha kitarik Rio inyo bat pra ukila Lincoln, ha katay ke Rynsan, kanavya kam shimlami tangkum ka contestant, Hynrei kum ka nongra ya kanam jong ke Jylla Meghalaya. Hakapor jong ka final, kanavya kalapin pau ya ka jingsmo sarong ya ka Jylla, bat ya ka dustur khasi, da ka bapong ya ka jain khasi, kabla yo jingyaro na kinong pinlong ya ka jingya ko, bat na kipat ba bapit kai. Kani ya ka jingyele jongka, kalapin pau ya ka jing burom, ya ka dustur bat ya ka tinrai, wat hapdeng ka jingya kop ka bahe, haka kerdan ri India. Wat lakam shumla job ya ka khusnam bakraw tam ha ka final round kanavya kalara ka khusnam Junior Miss India Most Beautiful Eyes kabla pinlong ya ka Jylla Meghalaya ban sngo sarong bat ban ai junior ro ya ka junior khun jongka katkum ka junior kren bat u Meghalaya daily ka junior linti jong kanavya Chaudhary kalong ka nuksa jong ka jingshlur bat ka junior ne jong ki khina Meghalaya bat ka pin pauru ya ka jingdan kam ban burom bat ban pinne ya ka dostur bat ka jingya dei bat ka Jylla wat haba ki khun kin thei jong ka Jylla ki kiu shikirin san ki bahe Meghalaya daily ka ai ka jingya ro ya ka navya Chaudhary bat ka long ka binta jong ka jingsngo sarong jong ka Jylla Meghalaya.
Hello Jaipur, be a warrior when it comes to delivering on your ambitions. With this, myself Navya Chaudhary and I am from a very beautiful place Meghalaya, and today I am wearing a Khasi traditional dress which is also called Thara. Thank you so much everyone. Have a great evening ahead.
Next is number 22.
My name is Navya Chaudhary and I am from Badapatra Mabha, Shillong, Meghalaya, and I am the winner of Junior Miss India Miss Beautiful Eyes. I study in BK Bajoria School and I am currently in class 3. I feel extremely proud, happy and honored to represent Meghalaya at Junior Miss India as it gives me the opportunity to showcase the talent, culture of my state on national platform. Wearing Khasi traditional attire is very special to me because it represents my roots, culture and identity, and it gives me feel confident and connected to my heritage. I would like to tell children of my age to believe in themselves, dream big, work hard and always respect their parents, teachers and culture. I am very thankful to my parents, family, teachers, friends, and everyone who supported me. And a special thank you to Junior Miss India for giving me this wonderful platform and opportunity. Kublai.